everyone, it's Marla. I'm here to show you two of my favorite bags, and they are currently on flash sale. They're going to be on flash sale until the 21st of January, which is 25% off the entire store lineup. You've got to go check it out at ilovebigbags143.com. You're going to be able to find all kinds of purses, totes, storage, gifting, pretty much everything is going on some sort of sale for a flash sale. All right, so right now I am currently using the Around Town Tote. This has been my go-to bag for the last few weeks. It's in the distressed chestnut. This guy right here normally retails at $78, but it's currently going for $58.50 on the flash sale. And the flash sale is 25% off. So you're going to be able to get this bag for $58.50 right now. So you're going to hurry up. There's like 10 colors. So if distressed chestnut, which is like a brown kind of color, if that's not you and you're more fun and spunky and want something with a little bit of pop, go there now. Like, well, after this video, go check it out. There's 10 different colors available. So let's look at this one. I added the double arrows because if you know me, I'm all about my personalization, and I absolutely love these two arrows. It's a little tricky to see because I chose to have it in the same color. So it kind of just looks embossed where you can get some colors to pop out. That's what it is. On the back side, you have a sneaky little cell phone pocket, which I absolutely love. It fits my iPhone inside really nicely. Right there, easy peasy. Then you have the double stitched reinforced handles right there with these cute little hardware decoration. They are in a silver tone. On the inside, you will see that there's lots and lots of room. It stores, I could hold a laptop in there. It's kind of a really good open space to throw zipper pouches in there. I tend to make this a catch-all bag for work. And inside, there's a zipper pocket and then two more flat pockets. This is great for date night, work bag, dress it up. If you like big bags, this is a good one for you. There is no zipper at the top, so keep that in mind. Most of the bags that I do love have zippers, but this one I just love because you can keep stacking more and more on top, and it holds a really good amount of weight. All right, so this is the Around Town Tote, and then one of my second go-to bags is the boutique backpack. Came out not too long ago. I have two colors. My girls each have one. I think Lexi has a black one. Brooke has, I think it's a dusty rose. And I have the burgundy Merlot color right here. And then I also have a black one. This guy is also normally $78. Right now you can get it for 25% off. This backpack, love it. You can take it pretty much anywhere you go. Amusement parks, need it as a quick diaper bag for your kids. If you're going to head out to the gym, throw some stuff in here. Dress it up, make it cash. Here's what it looks like. Again, I added the personalization, my arrows, my favorite on this bag, of course. My black one actually has my initials on it. So you've got a pocket here, one right there. You got another one here. Nice and long. This one goes probably about this far down, and then this one goes down to this part right there. And then let's walk around that. This is what the back looks like right here. They are adjustable straps. And then you have the handle here. In the inside, you have lots of room. You could fit zipper pouches. You could fit a small lunchbox. And then you could put your wallet. Excuse me. And then also, you've got this nice zipper pocket that goes pretty much about half the length of the bag. This is like that super secret pocket where if you're a parent and you don't want your kids to get to your chocolate, you're going to put it in there. You're going to just put your candy, put your chocolate. Don't let anybody know. Stick it in there. You've got gum. Kids always want your gum, even if they're not supposed to have it because they have braces. You know, just stick that back here. Zip it up. It's like the forgotten pocket. Nobody needs to know what's in there. That is going to be your best friend right there. That extra little hidden pocket. Perfect. Okay, so this guy, right now, there's four different colors available. You can get the bag itself for 25% off. So you're going to grab this one also for $58.50. You get to choose 10 different colors right now in the Around Town Tote. You've got about 4 different colors available in the boutique backpack. What's your favorite? Are you more a backpack person or a tote person? I want to know in the comments. And if you have one of these, post a picture. I want to see, what does yours look like? Are you obsessed with the arrows like I am, or are you more of a naked bag? I don't like anything on it. Tell me, I want to know more. You can get these at ilovebigbags143.com. The sale, the flash sale, ends on the 21st, so you want to get them while they're there. Anyways, have a great rest of your day. Bye.